Hey guys, my name's Trevor Wright. I work for Roush Performance. We are here at Tyndall Roush Performance, and we are installing the all-new 2018 R2650 Supercharger. The Twin Vortex Series 2.65 liter supercharger at just 12 PSI is putting out more than 700 horsepower and 610 foot-pounds of torque. Whoever wins this ride, I can tell you this is going to be the top performing Mustang on the road. With all the big performance hands from RTR with Von Gittin Jr., Tony Stewart, Stewart Haas Racing, and Roush Performance, this thing is going to be quite the crowd pleaser. Can't wait to see this Mustang hit the road with all the events ahead, from the NASCAR events, Woodward Dream Cruise, Hot Rod Power Tour, and so much more. Can't wait to see this thing throw some smoke.
Make sure you watch and share all the videos as we get the Smithfield smoke machine ready for one lucky winner to enjoy. Check it out on Smithfield Racing, Stewart Haas, Mustang RTR, and my social channels.